Hi, it's me, Tony. This is my new pile of wood chips, quite big, more than 1 cubic meter. There is another one right here. This one is pretty big too, again more than 1 cubic meter. And this one I produced 2 days ago, and now the temperature is 140 Fahrenheit. Doing pretty well. This one, I will check it actually. This one is very hot also. This is 5 days old. 5 days old. Let's see the temperature. I have another pile. This one is ready. I'm gonna transfer it from here to the big pile over there. I have, hi Charlie, I have here behind this mess, again is full with wood chips. I didn't check it, this one, for more than a week. I'm gonna measure the temperature also in this one. And here I have one big pile with ready to go wood chips. I like this stuff a lot, very nice. It's right here. Nice and moist. I have new one, just came today. I produced it in the morning. Very nice also, and a bit more here. This one is a bit rough, depends of the wood that I'm putting in the shredder. And here is pretty messy, big chunks. I have to shred it again with the smaller one. And let me check the temperature. Here is the same, 140. Yeah, both of them. And I want to see what is going on right here. I'm gonna stick it like that, and until the thermometer is measuring the temperature, I will check the greenhouse. Kali, what are you doing here? Kali, hey, are you sleeping here? Maybe. Hey. Okay. Here we have garlic and 2 kinds of salads, red one and green salad. They're so they continue to be so. The garlic is okay, but the salad probably during the day, because of the sun inside the greenhouse, become very hot, and the salad doesn't like to be very hot. And here, oh, here is pretty nice. The peppers, they're doing excellent, nice green color, and the stems are very strong. pretty thick stems. Tomatoes are also good. There are 4 varieties of tomatoes here. The stems are also pretty thick, nice red color. We have here, and here we have wild strawberries. Germination is so-so. Supposed to be all cells with green stuff on them, but no. It's how many of them germinated. There's not many. We have melons and watermelons here. Bean over there, and sweet corn. They're huge. They're doing pretty well also. I will go there. The sweet corn is pretty nice, perfect color. They're so healthy. This is hot pepper. It's chocolate habanero. It's a bit yellowish, maybe it's too wet. Here still nothing, maybe here and there more peppers coming, but still nothing. We did this recently, and we have here zucchini, and we have cauliflower right here. More tomatoes. On the shelf we have varieties of flowers. All of them are doing pretty well. We have here, we have green pea right here. And in the pumpkin we have frostbite. About a week ago the temperature dipped down to -6, and they like to be in a plus side, and we have here frostbite, but they're still alive. They're still alive. New leaves are coming, so they will survive. Okay, this is bed we prepare. Yeah, the cat is still here. We have compost bed, wood chips bed right here. Here the work is in progress. We're gonna cover the whole greenhouse with wood chips, and we will plant tomatoes here and melons. Tomatoes gonna be on the north side of the greenhouse right here, and melons, they're gonna be in the south side right here. This is the south side. We put salads from this tray right here, but still we didn't transplant just one of them, the whole bunch, but doesn't like to be in a whole bunch, needs to be just one salad, not so many. Here maybe 5, 6, sometimes 10. Here at least 10 pieces together. Okay, I will go outside and check the temperature in the Bye, Kali. Here my working area. I do the shredding right here. Okay, let's see. This one is inactive, 120. Needs a bit more time, and then we'll go to the big pile over there. Okay, now I will start moving this pile from here to the big one. Okay, bye for now.